So the axis of symmetry, as I mentioned on Friday, the axis of symmetry is like a mirror. It's a mirror image. It divides the graph in half. So think of like a mirror. It divides the graph in half. Also, it is usually, at least for quadratics, it is going to be a vertical line that goes through the vertex. Where's the vertex on this thing? Right here. Y. Y is at the vertex. It is the minimum value for y. It's the bottom of the valley. You can't go any lower. So it's a vertical line that goes through the graph, that goes through the vertex. Now, does anybody in here remember how to graph a vertical line? In other words, what's the name? How do I name a vertical line? Well, vertical lines always are a function, they're not a function. They're an equation of x. X equals, where's it going through? -1. X equals -1. That's the axis of symmetry. So what we do is we look for the vertex. In this particular case, it's -1, -4, where y is, my x is the line of symmetry, and my y value is the minimum y value. Okay? That's it.